My name's Eric. I'm here with Temperature Pros. We're out here at a customer's house doing a maintenance plan. Customer just wanted to be on top of his system, make sure that he could make it be on top of its service so that it can last for the years that it can. So what we did when we came out, we checked the air temperatures to make sure that the system had a good delta T split. We also did check the refrigerant by making sure that the delta T's were on point. We also cleaned out the system. We checked the capacitor. We looked at the indoor unit to make sure there was no debris or nothing out of the ordinary in the furnace. And we just washed it down with the appropriate evaporator coil condenser spray. And everything's running good.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's nice and clean. We came
Sounds
out.
better, actually.
It sounds more better. It's able to breathe. It's usually recommended that you be on top of your equipment. So this way it can prolong its life expectancy. It's usually recommended to have 2 visits a year, one for AC or the summer and one for winter time. So sir, how do you think the service went?
Oh, it was great. It was very dirty. It was not maintained for like 5-6 years, and right now it sounds better. We'll start showing some age, but now it's clean and sounds great, so I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.